All right, James, we got a quick announcement here that deserves the subtlety of a megaphone.
Right now on the Thrivetime Show podcast, a little less than 5% of the people that listen to the podcast are actually subscribers. Are you aware of this?
I had no idea of that.
Holy crap.
Yeah, so let me pull this up real quick and explain what we're going to do here. So if you're listening to the show right now and you want a chance to win a conference ticket for an upcoming business conference, I do business conferences every 2 months. All you have to do is find the Thrivetime Show on Rumble or iTunes or wherever you consume podcasts, and you just click the subscribe button. And so you click the subscribe button to join, the follow, whatever that is. And then what you're going to do, James, is you're going to text proof that you've actually subscribed to my cell phone number. James, when I say it's my cell phone number, tell the folks what this phone number 918-851-0102 really is.
That really is your cell phone number, and that's the number that you call your wife on, your children on, Eric Trump on, Kash Patel on. That's the number. That's your number, Clay.
That's the actual number. So what we're going to do, let's recap the moves. Let's recap the system, make sure we're on the same page here about what needs to happen next year. So what we need to do is, if we want to win a conference ticket for an upcoming event, step one, we need to what, James?
You got to call the number.
No. Step one, we need to what?
You got to subscribe.
Yes, we need to subscribe. Let me recap. Perhaps I'm a bad teacher. Okay, so here we go.
So step one, if people want to win a conference ticket, they need to do what?
You got to subscribe to the Thrivetime Show.
Step two, if they want to win a conference ticket, people need to?
You got to text proof of subscription to your cell phone number.
It's a screenshot, right? And then step three,
people have a chance to do what, James?
You'll have the chance to get a ticket to the show.
That's a chance to win a backstage pass or a VIP ticket to an upcoming business conference. That's what you have to do. And again, folks, the reason why I'm making this announcement is because a little less than 5% of the people that watch the Thrivetime Show actually subscribe. And when you subscribe, it helps us reach more people. And so without any further ado, James, this concludes this urgent update.